She didn't start. Okay.
Yeah, I went.
Okay, so we are going to be using the percent proportion, which is two fractions today, to solve percent problems. So today it says 140 is 70% of what number? So I'm going to create a proportion. I'm going to make two fractions and an equal sign between them. Now, the first one is easy because that 70% is out of 100. To make this percent into a fraction, I always put whatever it is over 100. And then the next number, which is my only number here, goes into this fraction. All I have to figure out is 140 parts, which are represented by the numerator, or is 140 the entire amount, which would be represented by the denominator, because the denominator represents the total. So we already know that 140 is only 70% of some larger number. It must be the part, because it can't be the entire amount. So we put 140 as a numerator, and we don't know what the total is. That's going to be our x, our question, our I don't know what it is. Then we learned something called the bat and baseball method, where we can cross multiply and then divide by our ball. So we literally will multiply 140 times 100. Of course, you can simplify this. You can cross out the zeros and make it smaller. That will help. So let's say we don't, though. Let's say we just multiply 140 times 100. You get, and you count up all those zeros. 1 times 14 is 14. And there are 3 zeros, so you get 1, 2, 3 zeros. Last is you divide by your ball, which is 70. Boom. I go 70, does not go into 14, but it goes into 140. It goes into it twice. Yay, this is easy. And then I'm going to get a bunch of zeros, right? So my answer will be 200. Last, I asked myself, does this even make sense? Well, 140 is 70% of what number? You know that the number has to be at least larger than 140. It's 200. If I think about it, 50% of 140 would be what?
Of 140 or 200?
100. What's 50% of 140?
70.
Yeah. So it's a 20%, like 50%, 70%. That seems like it could make sense. So always check for reasonableness of your answer. Thanks for watching.